Okay guys, this video is just a resume of what we did over the weekend installing the turbos in my car. These are the 17T eBay turbos. I bought them for $1,000 on eBay, and then I ended up buying all these other parts. I don't want to make this video a DIY video, because if you guys want to learn how to install turbos, there's already a video out there from ECS Tuning. They show you exactly how to install these turbos, which is the video that I looked at, and I went by that video and I did the whole turbo install. This video is mainly to tell you guys that these eBay turbos are good. Stop overpaying for turbos. You know, go do your thing, man. Put these things on, they're great. It's been a couple of days since I've been driving already. I just edited the video. I put it all in there, so you can see it's only a 5-minute video. You can see what we did throughout the weekend and stuff. It's just basically me and my boy messing around installing turbos. We're not mechanics. I got an engineering background. He's got some electrical background. He does he builds motherboards and stuff like that for computers. So yeah, that's how it is, man. This is basically to show you that these things, they fit in perfectly. You don't need to balance them. You don't need to do anything, okay? You just gotta go and drive this thing on, you just gotta go, put it in, drive it, and have a blast, man, because, it's so worth it. I got a custom tune. I'm pushing about 20 PSI on them right now, which is the base map. I still gotta get some logs out and stuff so I can show you guys more. So yeah, that's it, man. Freaking turbos are in. Enjoy the video, guys. If you guys, it's no DIY, no nothing. It's just two buffoons installing a set of turbos. 17T eBay turbos, baby. They're great. I ended up buying all new hardware all around. I bought new oil lines, new water lines for the turbos. I put in everything brand new. I got an installation kit from ECS Tuning, and a bunch of other parts. I got new motor mounts and everything. So yeah, that's us, baby. Anything, hit me up. I'm on Instagram, N54 N54 Addict, and any questions, hit me up. And please, guys, don't forget to subscribe and leave it a like, because we do this for love. We love these things, and I'll keep you guys posted on what's going on. All right. I'm not a pro at making videos or anything. This is, just I don't even know how to do this crap, actually, as a matter of fact. But I'm just doing this so you guys can see it's not that hard, and not hard at all, actually, to do this. If you can turn a wrench, you're good. And yeah, hell yeah, guys. Hey, thanks for watching the previous video, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Everything is in. Guess what I'm ready for? Exhaust is buttoned up. New motor mounts. Got the new motor mounts in. Now look what we're putting in there. Yeah, buddy. My boy Lucas went a little faster.
Oh shit.
Right, Lucas? Quick. Yeah, buddy.
Should we drain it, huh?
Oh, drain plug. Because this is how we do it. Mashimoto Mignecto. Yeah, buddy. So that's it. I'm going to show you mofos right now who likes new turbos right here. Yep. All done, all hooked up, ready to rock and roll. I'm about to drive up and out of here. I still got to put those strut bars on, but I'll do that tomorrow. But yeah, she's running. She loves it. No more smoke. Beautiful. All right, so this is where we stand. Got to take it for a wash. Y'all can see it. She's a monster. Yeah, buddy.